Hello, welcome to the Damoov DataHub tutorials. In this welcome guide series, I will walk you through everything you need to know to start using our platform. In this tutorial, I will show how to register on the Damoov platform. Find a Get Started button on our website's main page. When you click on it, you will be redirected to our platform. A registration window will appear asking you to sign up. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and create a password. Then click Sign Up, and a verification email will be sent to the email address you entered. After you verify your email, it's time to create an account for your company. Here, you need to enter the company name. I'll name mine Success. After entering the name, wait for the platform to check if the name is available. When the Confirm button turns blue, you can proceed. The next step after you have named the company is to enter your first and last name. Then you will need to choose a plan to start your 30-day free trial. Just choose a plan, and you can simply start using our platform for free for the first 30 days. No card details are required. There are 3 plans to choose from. Starter. It costs $250 per month and includes 100 drivers. After the first 100, each new active driver will cost $2 per month. An active driver is a driver who generates telematics data. Growth costs $1,000 per month and includes 400 drivers. All additional drivers cost $1.50 per month. And Scale costs $3,000 per month, includes 1,200 drivers, and each additional driver costs $1 per month. You can choose any plan. The first 30 days of using the platform are free. I will choose a starter plan for now. The button will take you straight to DataHub. I will talk about it in detail in the next tutorial. That's all for the first tutorial in the Welcome Guide series. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Drive safe.